Alright guys, good morning. It's actually 6:30 a.m. right here in our village, and today I'm starting my video from here. We are building, actually I want to finish building the I'm tired guys. I want to finish building the chicken coop. This one right here, a small poultry house, but there's a lot of sun that is coming from this direction, so I want to talk from this angle guys. So yeah, we are building today. So if you're new on my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you won't miss anything of my upload. This channel is all about traveling, farming content, real estate. That is what you are going to find on this particular channel. So if you like any of these three things, make sure that you are subscribed, okay? And also turn on the bell notification, because whenever you post a new video, we want you guys to actually be able to receive the notification. But this is the work that I did yesterday. I added those 2 courses up there, and so it's now shaping up. You can see there's a window here, there's a door over here, there's another window, another big window over there, that is another big window over there. I don't know if these 2 windows are enough, or maybe I should also make holes on that other window over there. The only thing is that I didn't want to have a window on this side because of security. You can see the way it is, but this is the solid wall without holes in it. So yeah, but this is where we are. We are going to build today. Build. Now the part that is remaining, as you can see on this side, is completed. But the part that is remaining is actually this one. Let me show you guys from the inside. Yes, you can see where the sun is. But yes, this part here. So we need to add 1 more course, guys, from here going all the way to that side, to that corner. And then there will be a bit of space that is actually going to remain. Like on this side, there will be like 1 block. As we go down that side, to be like a half a block. So the guys that are going to put the roof, they're the ones that are going to, they will know what to do on that one, because this roof will come from this side. It will be slanting. The water will be dropping from this other end, not into our neighbor's house property, not into this side, not this side, where the entrance is. So I want the water to go down this way. Okay, so I don't know if that's a good idea, because we've got that window. Yeah, so otherwise this is how it is. Okay, so we're going to build here, add a course or 2 here. We'll see how it goes, because this wall fence is not we didn't set it together with this. So you can see that from this side we need to add 1 more block, but if we're coming from that side, we can't add another one on top after the first course which we're going to build. So it's a bit like that side is higher, this side is lower. That's how it is. So yeah, let's flow with it. Okay, so yes guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. I'm your Zambian content creator, guys, living in a village in Zambia, a village called Kahale village. Okay, it's a part of Chiwombo, but very close to Lusaka. Actually, it's about 7 kilometers from Lusaka CBD. So we still have villages around this area. Okay, and you can see, guys, lots of development. You can see there's a beautiful big house over here. There's another one, the green roof on this side, which looks like a Tanzanian type. It's so high, like that roof there. Then there's another roof over there. Those are big houses. And on this side, you can see the green one again here. That's my neighbor's house. And I have a small cottage over here. I have this chunk of land over here. So I want to at least have something like an income for me, instead of just this was built from YouTube, guys. This small house and this wall fence was built from YouTube. Alright, which I really appreciate. You people have been supportive. I found people that have helped me to actually put up this cottage, and they helped me also to secure the land by putting up that long wall fence, which people admire here in the village. They say, wow, that place. Oh, you know, and most people don't even know that I'm the owner of this land. You know, you could overhear them and say, yeah, this is the guy that works on that big wall fence, you know. So yeah, it is what it is. So there's a big wall fence, and it's all from YouTube, guys, from YouTube. But on this one, I had to get a loan for me to reach this far. Loan from the bank for me to reach this far. I know a couple of people, like 2 people. The other one bought me a bit of cement. The other one bought me 100 blocks. Yeah, but the rest has been from a loan that I acquired from the bank. So, but if you can support me to put up a roof, yeah, that would be nice. You know, that would be nice, guys. Thank you so much to those that have been supporting. Thank you so much to those that are watching my videos from the start to the end. That really means a lot to me, guys. You just don't know. So please support me, and also liking the videos. It really helps, you know. It really helps. So yeah, it is what it is. We intend to put up this poultry house. Is just the start. In future, when I get some money, I can build it up to this far, up to that pillar over there. There's a pillar there. So up to this pillar, this can be one poultry house and another one on the other side. Then we're going to build our house down in that corner there, you know, straight with the entrance. Like when you enter, you go straight to the main house. The main house will be there, where that maze is, not here, there. So that's what we intend to do. That's the main house. Okay, and then on this side, from here, this side is our orchard. So we're gonna have like a lot of fruit trees this side. And we already have like natural, this is a natural tree, natural fruit tree. This is Macaulay, we call them. Even though there are too many of them here, there are about 6 or 7. These trees, they have very strong roots. So when a root comes like down this way, you see things like this. This is another one starting to grow. You see things like that, another one like that. So these are the same trees. So they're about, actually, if we add this more ones, we can say they're about 10 of these Macaulay trees right here. Okay. But we are going to cut some of them. Maybe we're just going to leave 2 of them, 2 trees. Yeah, we don't need to have lots of trees. No. And we've already started planting the fruit trees to develop. We are slowly developing our orchard. You can see this one over here, it's a lemon tree. Okay, this one over here is orange nuts, and this is the orange tree. So we need to have like about 9 of them somewhere here. So we're going to add like guavas, you know. We're going to have quite a lot of other trees, fruit trees planted around here. Okay, we can have one there, another one there, another one. So about 9 of them are still coming. Actually 6 of them are yet to be planted on this land. Of course, including one of these Macaulay tree here is going to remain. Okay. I also have an avocado here. Okay, I also need a Hass avocado. This is a local avocado, so this tree grows like very big. It becomes gigantic. So we don't need it to be very close to the house. That's why I had to plant it here, not somewhere there. You can see. So we have it here. I also have one local mango tree somewhere there. So on this side, we're going to have grafted mangoes and things like that, small ones, those that bear fruits while they still look young. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do, guys. So that's the plan with this land here. So the poultry houses, because this is a village, so we are allowed to put up poultry houses and things like that to keep some birds. But in future, when the council comes in, the city council comes in, we may change the plan. With these poultry houses, we may have to demolish them, but it will take quite a long time for them to actually come to this. Well, we do have the council, but this is still the village, so the headmen and women are the ones in charge most of the time. So they do allow you to have some poultry houses, So we're going to take advantage of it. Maybe the real council is actually going to come in maybe in the next 10 years or so. I don't know. But before that, we're going to have poultry houses. And in future, when they start, because the rule with the council is that you can't keep in a residential area like this. You can't keep animals, or birds or things like that. So we will have to stop this business maybe in the next 10 to 15 years. Yeah, but when that happens, we can have some apartments here. We can build some nice apartments. This is a big space. We can have some apartments, like maybe 1 here, 2 there, good houses. And we demarcate, we have an entrance right over here, straight where that is. We're going to have a road coming down here, then there'll be a house here, another house on the other side, the main house over there, and then we cut here with a wire. That will be the main house over there. Okay, so otherwise this is the future plan, guys. So thank you so much for joining. Remember to watch this video from start to the end as we are building. So I've already started here. You can see I was just mixing this. I hope this will be enough to finish up that part. And yeah, we start doing other things like backfeeding and things like that. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for joining. Watch the video, guys. Preparing, guys, preparing. So this is part of building, So you can see our scaffold, it's site made, but we believe in it. It's strong. Yeah. So, yeah, bit of way. Just bring these blocks close enough so that when we start, we go. Okay. So let's see how we're going to go from here. It is strong, guys. Very strong. Hope so. Anyway. Just forgotten one thing. Tools are supposed to be near our tools. One tool remaining. I show speed. Oh. I show speed. Alright, guys, let me give you the final update for the day today. We've been building, guys. And take a look. That's a chicken coop that we are building over there. The African way, guys. The African style. So this right here is our chicken coop. We only have 2 windows. Yes, guys. Take a look. But now you can see we are almost done. What is remaining is actually putting the floor there, the floor and the roofing. That is what is remaining. And if you want to support me, you can actually participate in that by donating to this channel, whatever that you can. That would really mean a lot to me. Okay, so you can see from here on the far end there's about half a block that still needs to be laid there, but that will be done after the people that will be roofing the house are done roofing. That's when we can actually fix those holes that will remain. Just yeah, you can see at the back there's let me just show you from inside. At the back there is I've built this is our wall fence. So we've built on top one course. We've added one course, if I may put it that way. Now this wall fence was going like this, you know, so we decided to add two courses here, but on this wall fence just one, because it's not straight, you know. So the guys that will be doing the roofing, they know what to do with such kind of a scenario. So they're going to work on it and make it nice, but then we're going to have to fill up the gaps with blocks and half blocks and you know, broken blocks and things like that. So yeah, that's how it's done. Otherwise, this is my work for today, and I can actually call it a day. Next thing, I'll be backfeeding this entire thing here, floor. I backfeed it with this soil, and then we compact it nicely. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done, a lot actually. We've just done like 50%, you know. This is just 50%. Still need the floor, and for the floor I need about 5 to 6 bags of cement, you know. I need about 15 wheelbarrows of quarry, yeah, just to come and make a good floor here. Good floor, guys. So I've remained with about 50 blocks. So yeah, I'll pack them somewhere there. Whenever we have a project, we can actually use them. Even to build outside here, we need to build that what is it called again, disinfection area right at the entrance. So otherwise, for today, this is it, guys. This is it. I love the works that I've done myself here as an untrained builder, guys, building for the first time, guys. And the first thing that I built was that part of the wall fence there, from the entrance to that side, to that corner. I built that one myself, and then I moved to this is a chicken coop that we are trying to build here, and hopefully we actually reach the roof level. I know for the roofing I'm not good. I'm afraid of heights, so yeah, maybe somebody else can come and do the roofing. And they normally charge for something like this, they charge about 1,000 kwacha. That is it. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to end my video from here today. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch my videos. I really appreciate those that are watching from start to the end of this video. And this channel is all about traveling, farming, and real estate videos. So if you like any of these 3 things, guys, you're actually on the right channel. So make sure that you subscribe and like whatever video that I post. That really means a lot to me. It really helps the channel to go forward. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care of yourselves.